Hey friends, for today's video, I will be unboxing the Redmi Note 9S from Xiaomi and will let you see how I set up my phone. By the way, this one is in the color of Interstellar Gray. It has 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Disclaimer, this is not to brag, but I have been wanting to buy this phone since its release last year, but I don't have the money for it, especially COVID happened. By the way friends, I bought this from Lazada. So as you can see, when we open the box, we will first see the package for the free jelly case, the SIM ejector, warranty, and the manual all together. And the next one will be the phone itself. So when I bought this from Lazada, it's on sale for $8,350 and I only paid $8,050 because of a discount voucher that I got from the store. And if you search for the original price of the phone, I must say it felt like the world wanted me to get this. By the way, when you open the box, you will also see the Type-C USB cord and the adapter. Alright, so we'll be removing the plastic or whatever it is that they call this. It's very satisfying to remove. And here we go. Alright, it's naked. If you can see, it's more of a blue color than gray when you see it in person, which is totally fine with me. And if you see also, I was hesitant to remove the sticker. I was supposed to remove it, but I saw it's for warranty purposes, so no. By the way friends, if you see this case, what was bought the same time I checked out the phone, but it arrived one day earlier than the phone, so hey there Snoopy. Alright, so it's taking its time to open itself, maybe because it's new. But right after this, we have to go through the usual setup, or set up your phone step. There you go. Okay. Alright. Let's skip most of the parts. It's taking its time to load. Okay. Alright, so after setting it up, I update the operating system since it has a pending update. I had to speed things in the video because updating was so slow. We can blame it on the internet. Here you go, it's opening itself now, and here's the lid. And here it is. Here it is. So let me just open it. Okay, so this is the setup of the phone. Hey there Snoopy. By the way guys, I bought this because it is soft to touch. I just don't like matte feeling in my hands because my hands are always dry. It's not the greatest feeling ever. What I like about this is the fingerprint sensors. So our sensor is the power button itself. Yay! So now, as you can see, my apps are arranged alphabetically, and I will be letting you see how I set up my phone in the aesthetic way. Disclaimer, aesthetic means seeing the beauty you see. I don't know if it's making sense, but I remember the quote that's somehow similar with what aesthetic means. It says, the beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Self-explanatory. So here we go. So for this time, that's the wallpaper that I got, but just like I said, I'm gonna let you see how I set up my phone. First, I go to Pinterest, because who doesn't use Pinterest? No one. I don't know, but I'm into pink this past few days, so we will go with pink. We'll have to find an aesthetic home screen that's color pink, and also an aesthetic lock screen that's color pink. So let's go and scroll until we find what we're looking for. So while we're searching for the wallpaper, I don't know if this looks like. By the way, friends, I was actually eyeing to get the Redmi Note 10, but I saw this phone and I watched a lot of reviews, and you can say I was convinced to get this instead. So this is what my wallpaper is right now. I'm just gonna stick with that. Now I'm trying to look for a lock screen wallpaper. There you go. I think this is gonna do. Alright, so exit the app and go to gallery, find the photos, and you probably know what to do. Just set up the picture as your wallpaper. You can either choose lock screen, home screen, or you can set up one wallpaper as both. It depends on you. But for me, I'm going to use this one as my lock screen, and the other one will remain as my home screen. Alright, so there. That's basically how I set up my phone. Icons will remain the same. I just want to keep it basic. I don't want to overcrowd the icons. So this is what it looks like right now. I hope you enjoy watching the video, friends, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Hope you're having a good day. Make good choices.